Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning, today we are going to start a new chapter called Single Alternative Decision. Single Alternative Decision is one of the 4 types of decision controls we will learn as part of this unit. Everything that we have learned, including how to build Boolean expression, how to evaluate a Boolean expression, will be very useful in this and subsequent chapters. Now we will understand this by taking an example. We have learned so far that when you write a set of statements or instructions to Java, Java executes everything from top to bottom. But by using decision control, we will learn how to control Java or how to tell Java to execute only certain lines of code and skip certain based on certain conditions. Let's take an example. I have drawn a flowchart here. A flowchart is a good pictorial representation of our logic or algorithm. In fact, even today, when I am in doubt, when I am not very clear about my logic or my algorithm, I always draw a flowchart on pen and paper before I write the logic in Java. So definitely make a practice. What you see on the screen, every flowchart starts with a start and end. This is pretty straightforward. And all the conditions that we use, you draw using a diamond. And then diamond has always 2 parts, true part and false part, because a Boolean expression always have either true value or false value. If it is true, you want to do something. If it is false, in this case, I'm not doing anything, but I can do something here and then return the control back and finish the program. Same thing, we will implement it in Java. But for now, let's take a theoretical example where we are saying that you are eligible to vote when you are 18 years old. Now, you can see when you are 18 years and old is a Boolean expression. So let's say age is what we will determine, and we'll say age is greater than equal to 18. In this case, this is my Boolean expression. And if this is true, right? This is true, I want to vote. But if it is false, I don't care. We are not going to do anything about it for the time being. We will learn about false scenario also when we deal with dual alternative. But right now we are focused on single alternative. So we'll focus and stay with the true part only. And that is what you see here. In the next class, I will translate this logic into Java using Java syntax, and you will learn that. For now, that's all in today's class. Definitely do the practice, solve the quiz, and validate your understanding. If required, come back and read this again or watch the video. I'll see you guys in the next class. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.